This is like one of our best perfecto stuff for now.
I just came into the North Pole.
Someone breached the barriers!
And here are the elves working in their natural habitat.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure you don't want to spoil their surprise. So
Okay.
you better look away because it's gonna be refused.
No. I know.
Okay. Beginning of construction for the Disneyland castle. Emelina, do you have the people that are gonna live there ready?
I have.
Yes. Okay, let's see. And Luna. Oh, and then Michael trying to get into the box along with Lucci. Be careful, Lucci's behind you. You want to drink it? Let me clean your nose. Okay.
I got a bucket cake.
Yay. Okay. And Frankie, he's doing his coloring. And here are my little babies. Okay, stop. Sing it. Claus is coming to look at me. Look at me. You have to say it again. Here we go. Santa Claus.
Santa Claus is coming.
Santa Claus is coming. Okay. So it's done. Okay. Okay.